disinfecting and sanitizing is booming right now. So, okay, let me tell you about my day yesterday right quick. I went out and I bought a fogger, a Ryobi fogger, right? It was $99. I got it from Home Depot. People were asking me about the solution that I put in it. I put the old band, put that solution in there, old band or something like that. One thing that I liked about the fogger, I would say, is it gets the job done. I wouldn't say that it's the best fogger in the world, but what does a fogger do? When I first bought the fogger, I was in Home Depot, and one of the ladies said, you can't use that fogger for what you're trying to use it for. She said, it's to kill mosquitoes. And she said, you can't use it for that. Sanitizing it and just, no, you can't use that for that. So I thought about it, and I read the box. The box says multi-purpose. So me and this lady actually went back and forth, and she works in the store trying to help me out because I'm trying to see whether they got any foggers and stuff. And I saw that one, and she recommended me not to get this fogger because she said it kills mosquitoes. It's not for disinfect. It's not for that. So I'm thinking in my head, I'm from the hood. It say multi-purpose, so you could really put anything in there. And that's what I'm thinking. First time I ever used a fogger before. Only thing I needed to do is do its job. I'm going to put a sanitizing or disinfecting chemical in it, and I need it to mist out and touch all areas. That's what I needed to do. It's better than using a spray pump that's going to go directly and hit one area. I needed to mist out, and that's what it did. The only thing I didn't like about it is it leaves it comes out watery at the end. Like when you stop it, it comes out really watery, and a lot of it comes out. I don't like that, because then you got to get a mop and mop up the rest of the residue of it. So anyway, that's my take on the whole Ryobi fogger. A lot of people are looking for them right now. I grabbed 2 of them, and people are wondering how good they do. They do get the job done. I wouldn't say it's the best in the world though, but at a crisis like this, we need to be out there disinfecting and sanitizing as much as possible. And I'm so grateful to be in the cleaning business right now, because we are truly making a difference in this world, especially right now. I remember when we were at the bottom, and nobody really, it's not a sexy industry, nobody really wants to have pride in being a cleaner. Nobody really wants to have pride in being a cleaning company. You know what I mean? But I bet you'll have pride now. I had to learn that the hard way. Back when I used to be a housekeeper, I used to be scared to tell people that I was a housekeeper. I was ashamed of my job. And they asked me what I did. I always would lie and say I had a higher position. I'll say, yeah, I work at that hotel. I do front desk. But back then I was a sheep. I didn't realize that, hell, it don't matter what position that I say that I am, they all suck. And to me, they all suck. The real true position is the owner of the hotel. I mean, if you're a W-2, you're still put in that box. You have to work 40 hours a week. You're still put in that box, okay? Anyway, just wanted to let you guys know real quick about the Ryobi, I might be saying it wrong, fogger. My take on it, it will get the job done. It's not the best in the world. But I don't know about y'all. I've been racking up lately doing this disinfecting and sanitizing. We getting phone calls for it, and I'm really enjoying my job right now, because it doesn't even take a long time to go there and sanitize and then on to the next. Okay. And now I'm just really beginning to realize how much cleaning companies really make a difference in this world. I'm pretty sure the world is recognizing that now too. You know, that we're not just people that clean up behind your shit. Okay? We really making a difference out here.
Push it, push it.